So very good evening to one and all. So let's quickly get started. Today we are going to learn the basics of affiliate marketing, and also let's try to understand how does affiliate marketing work for Amazon. Amazon is considered to be as one of the marketplaces. So before we proceed with that, we should try to understand what is affiliate marketing. So if you go here, so basically, say for example, you are an online visitor to my website. So you visit my website, and when you click on some product, that is displayed on my website, you will be taken to the merchant site where the product is sold. Say for example, Amazon is somebody who is selling the products. I have a link of Amazon on my website. You are the visitor. So you visit my website, you click on the link, then you are directed to Amazon website. There you make a purchase, you get at a discounted price, I earn commission for the sale. So how does Amazon benefit? It is getting free publicity through word of mouth communication. I benefit because I earn a commission, and you benefit because you earn a discount. So whatever marketing costs that organizations are spending today, that's a huge money. So they're trying to leverage those costs or reduce those costs by simply offering affiliate programs to their visitors. So this is called as affiliate marketing, and in all the concepts that digital marketing has, this is one such concept. It's like a share market. You can become rich in no time, or you can also become a failure person. It depends on the quality of traffic you generate and how well do you explain the product features to the visitors. If you fail explaining the product features to the visitors, then you can also lose all the money that you are investing. So it has a two-sided sword effect. So let's try to understand this in more detail. So if you are actually going down, I'm just giving you an example. This is an affiliate promotion thing. So here are some products. So these products are from ClickBank. So what is ClickBank? ClickBank is basically a marketplace just like Amazon. Like how you people know very well about Amazon in India, Flipkart in India. So ClickBank is very much famous in the Western countries. So if you see, I have written about a product review. I have just mentioned that a lot of people have health issues. So when they grow old, you want to unlock your hip flexors by doing some exercises, and these are something that will eliminate the joint and back pain. When people gradually start working, they will have some problems. So ideally, what did I do? I just kept some pictures and I have given some links. So whenever people click on this link, you can just check it out. It's going to direct you to a product page. So here when you go, this is the product page, and these are the pictures I've taken from this product page, and these are on ClickBank page. So they are giving you discounts. Buy now, one-time offer at $10. So you're getting everything. Probably you will have the complete guide to this. What are the advantages? What are the disadvantages? what are the benefits you have when you use these products. So all these things, why people actually have these problems and how to get rid of all these problems is what they're trying to explain. So this is from the doctor's point of view as to what kind of exercises are taught, what are those muscles that actually cause this pain, and how do you unlock them. By unlocking them, you have a pleasant sleep and you have a pleasant mindset. So what are the exercises? Everything is covered in detail. So when you use this and do your regular exercises by watching these videos, probably you will have or enjoy a better health and a better lifestyle. So how should be your diet? All these things are explained. And when you go down, here you have something which is a regular price at $50. However, you people will be given like $40 off, and there is a time that is ticking. So within this time, if you buy it, you get it for just $10. So each dollar is approximately around 70 rupees or 80 rupees. In case if you are doing it, then it is coming you for a huge discount. And they are also giving you some kind of like doctors and all suggesting these exercises as one of the best. And the best part is, in case you are not satisfied with the product, they are also giving you a 60-day free trial policy. And if you are not happy, no questions asked, and they will be simply refunding your money back to you. So this is something, and this is actually located on this ClickBank. Just like Amazon, you can just like click the buy now button. It will take you to the payment gateway and you make a payment. Then probably you get the product, instant access to the product. So this is something about one of the product. So like this, you have so many products. Now what happened? You click this product on my website. Now ClickBank will get this information. Somebody has clicked P Funny. Okay. On who is P Funny? Okay. This is my unique ID. So people who have visited to this particular product and purchased this product from ClickBank using this P Funny, this is called as a HOP. This is my HOP link, the link that is given to me to promote it on my website. So this link will help as an identifier, and whenever people make purchase, I earn a commission out of the product whenever I sell these products for them. So similarly, if you go back, so there are some products which I have listed here related to health and all these things that I have just mentioned. Okay, so these are some meals, because in US especially, when people tend to get older, they want to use some kind of nutritional products. They want to control their diabetes. So these kind of keto foods will help them to reduce the fat consumption and thereby their sugar levels. So these are some examples of products that you promote on ClickBank. About ClickBank, I'm going to just discuss it tomorrow. But today our prime agenda will be for Amazon. So that is an Indian marketplace, and it is very peculiar. So before we even try to understand that, let us try to understand what are the different ways of earning money in affiliate marketing. So where do you call this? Yeah, you go to this blogs page and you click, say for example, new things in digital, or any of them for that matter. You can see here, shop today, best sellers in electronic category, limited period offer. And when you people click on this link, it will take you to the Amazon bestsellers page. So this is bestsellers, and my link also talks about bestsellers in electronics category. So both are tallying. And when people go here, probably they will spend some time, and in case they make a purchase of any product, then I am going to earn affiliate commission from that particular sale. Now, when you actually look at it, what are the different ways of earning money by affiliate marketers? To know this, I would just like to take you something like, great. Okay, let's try to understand this. There, you have to understand one-time affiliate sale versus recurring commission. Recurring commissions are the best. The reason being, if you identify some products and start making videos and upload them on YouTube and share them on your website and let your visitors know that these are the best selling products. In case they purchase the product, every month they have to renew their account. Similar to your cable connection, which is required to be upgraded every month, like your internet connection. Once in 6 months, you can take an yearly package, you can take a monthly package. If you take it for a year, you get a huge discount. So every month you are supposed to make a payment, and every month you make a payment for upgrading your product, I will earn commission every month. That means I'm just sleeping and I'm earning money. I just need to get one customer. I need to do marketing for them on the social media platform. Now we have identified that we can do Facebook marketing. When we are running ads on Facebook and we are trying to reach out to customers who have high buying potential and who are interested in the product. Now see, if I'm targeting some person who is having high income, but he doesn't know anything about digital products, it doesn't make sense in showcasing my products to him. The person should have some digital knowledge, as well as you are supposed to show them the benefits of the product. Only then the chances are there that he would purchase it. Now what will happen? You see the diagram here. The traffic will come to my content, they will click on the product, and they have to make a payment every month. And when they make a payment every month, then you also get a recurring commission, and these are very huge. Similarly, I have one more thing, which is one-time sale. So some products, what do? We are introducing the product. This is a new product launch. Buy once and you need not pay me month on month. It's a lifetime offer. It's a lifetime deal. So what happens? You also earn commission only once. Now the cost of this product might be some $1,000 or $150 or $300. Whereas this product might be only like $5 or $10 a month. So imagine if it's $5 or $10 a month, even if you get like $3 or $4 every month, that would almost end up to almost 300 to 250 rupees a month. Every month, imagine if you are referring multiple products and you are actually promoting multiple products, then you will start getting multiple commissions from such kind of sales. So if you look at it, in my blogs, I've written an article on new things in digital. So when you click on new things in digital, here are all those things. I've written about smartphones in 2020 under 20,000 rupees, okay, considering the middleman in my mind. So I've written about affiliate program. What are the programs which a lot of digital marketers promote on the online platform, because of which they earn huge money, because of which they are millionaires, and they earn a lot of money. So what did the digital marketing group say about it? We have done about email marketing. What are the kind of affiliate programs that email marketers run? Like, what are the best products to promote? What are the best products with respect to WordPress? Now we know that WordPress have so many plugins. There are paid plugins, there are free plugins. When you are actually promoting the paid plugins, you earn an affiliate commission. Every time they recharge it, month on month, you start earning commissions from those products. That means your target market has to be digital marketers. Similarly, what are the social media affiliate programs? Like, we have done something about Convertful. We have done something about, various like Facebook related, how to generate traffic from Facebook, how to generate traffic from LinkedIn. Silverboards we have studied the other day. What are the premium versions of them? How much money we can earn? What are the best SEO affiliate programs? Like SEMrush is there. SEMrush is basically a keyword research tool. So by using this, you can identify your competitors' keywords. See, I'll tell you the power of this tool. There is a tool by name SEMrush, and it is very expensive. Mostly the digital marketing agencies use it. And by using this tool and inputting a website there, it will give a complete website analysis and give you what are the backlinks to it, where are the customers coming for it, what are the keywords used, and what are the keywords that are ranking high in Google search results and YouTube search results. By simply copying all the keywords and adding them as tags in your particular video or URL or website, your website will become a competitor to them. That means without doing any SEO, without doing any research on keywords, you are simply using a tool which has already done an analysis and a detailed study of Google algorithm and getting you all those keywords, how your title should be, what are the description should be. By using that, your customers will come to you and you can make a lot of revenue out of it. So what are those eye-catching keywords? Everything are clearly explained using a SEMrush platform. Not only that, SEMrush is one such tool which runs contest every month. You need to write an article and submit to them. If they like your content, they'll pay you straight away $1,000 as a first prize, second prize like $500, and third prize $200. $1,000 is equivalent to 70,000 rupees. Imagine the whole month you're working hard doing a research on this product. Tomorrow their competitor will also run a contest, and the same content you prepared for it, you can use it for them and you can earn money there also. So that is the beauty of blogging and content marketing. Now let us try to understand about Amazon affiliate program. You can see here, I have given in my home page. You have seen this electronics thing that is leading. Here I am giving some kind of, look at this. In my footer, you call the topmost place as the header, the middle one is the body, and the bottom one is a footer. So where I'm giving an opportunity for people to connect to me on my Instagram account, Twitter account, LinkedIn account, and Facebook. Next to that, I've given this Amazon search query bar. How did the Amazon search query bar come on my website? Just by searching here, it has all the features of an Amazon website. You can simply go here and say best today's deal. Okay, today's deal. Go. Where are you going? See, it's giving you some kind of deals here. And if you want to directly go to Amazon, just by clicking here, you are directed to Amazon today's deal. Don't you think that is beautiful? It is beautiful. And today, if you look at it, Amazon bestseller, this is today's deal. And how many of you are aware that Amazon is running a super value days? From 1st September to 7th September, that is exactly when you people get your salaries. It is giving you a grocery, it has a grocery store, and it is giving you discount up to 50% for people who shop. So what is going to happen? You go down, you buy 7 products, get 7% back. Maximum cash back up to rupees 150. You're using your credit card or debit card, you are getting some discounted price. 5% instant discount if you are using debit card to purchase products more than 2,000 rupees, and if you're using credit card and purchasing 2,500 rupees. And this sale is only between 1st September to 4th September. And this is a beauty about it. And you also get a free delivery. So now I just wanted to let you know, see, there are so many products which are available. You can probably purchase them and you also get delivery. See how many products are available. It's complete raining discounts. You have 25% off on so many products. So these are all day-to-day essentials. So don't you think during the COVID time, sitting at home, ordering those products which are non-perishable, that means they will not get spoiled, ordering them through Amazon can end up having a huge discount for you and save a lot of money on your pockets, right? Now, how does it sound that you can also get an opportunity to promote them? If you promote them, then you can also make huge money. So if you actually check it out, become an affiliate. Towards the end of Amazon website, you have this option called as become an affiliate. By clicking on it, it will ask you your details. It will ask you for your personalized website address. Because if you have your own website, then you can get the link from Amazon and you can start promoting Amazon products on your website. So that is the beauty of it. So you can simply go here, click on this, become an affiliate. It will ask you for your details. It will ask you for the website. It will ask you for the category of the website. And finally, it will ask you for the billing details. so that Amazon can make a payment to you in case somebody purchases some products. Now, these are all very much important essentials. So people will definitely purchase from Amazon, and when they're giving you huge discounts, then it makes sense in promoting and trustworthy website. See, because why do people purchase from Amazon? Because it's known to everybody. You did not do any special branding for it. If I say somebody by name XYZ is starting his own website, please promote it, you might find it very risky, because you promote them, and if the person defaults, then your reputation is at stake. Your relatives or your friends might hate you. But imagine when you're promoting products like Amazon, you don't own the products. You are not doing any shipping. You are only referring and earning. Just like you refer to your friends about Google Pay, they install it, they make a first purchase, they get some money credited, you get some money credited. That is the kind of concept affiliate marketing has. Now, how do I actually promote them? Here, when you join Amazon as an affiliate, this is my admin page. Okay, this is my admin page. Hello P Funny. You can see this is my admin page, and on my admin page I have this Amazon Associates Stripe, site Stripe. So what is the advantage of the site Stripe is I can share it on Facebook, I can share it on Twitter. So I have an option to share it anywhere. This is the moment, see, you can see when I say share it on Facebook, it will open my Facebook page and it is going to talk about Amazon sale, Amazon pantry, the online grocery shopping store. Shop daily grocery items and get delivered in next day, Amazon.in. So Amazon.in is an Indian website. Amazon.com is a foreign website. Similarly, for any other thing, you will have the dot extension is different. So I wanted my target to be India because I have traffic only from India. I know people mostly from India, so I have taken a .in website and I have registered as an affiliate under Amazon.in product. So here you can say something about the product and you can click post to Facebook and your post is gone. So that is how you actually promote. In case I want to promote a particular product, I can simply go ahead and select this product. Maybe 1 minute. Okay, let me select this product. Okay, now I'm taking this best seller product, and now see I have image option, I have text plus image. When I say image option, the image will go. You want a medium size, you want a small size, you want a large size. So you can copy this code and you can paste it on the website. And when you paste this code on the website, this is how it will look like. And in case I want both picture as well as the text that is displayed next to it, then I'll say text plus image option. So when I say text plus image, I'm getting image, I'm also getting the text, price, everything. So this code I need to copy. So ideally I'm not writing any coding, I am copying the code that is existing and pasting it on my website and promoting the products on my website. Now I'm going to show you something live so that you people understand how I do it. Okay, so next 3-4 minutes you will understand this concept to the best. So let me go to my website. Let me first deactivate this one which is there. So I generally go here, I go to the dashboard, you have widgets, I go to the widgets. So here when you go, it is in the footer column. I go to the footer. I have given C, mega discount sale started. And in the text part, I have copied a code. It's simply copy and paste. Where did I get it from? I go to Amazon. I go to, let me say, I'll close this. Let me say I have to open right from scratch. Okay. Amazon login. So I want to log into it. So this is how the Amazon Associates thing will look like. I already have an account. If you people are going, you have to go to Amazon Associates this thing, and you go down here. You can actually, like how I showed you, you can join them as a Amazon affiliate marketer. Since I'm already there as an affiliate this thing, I can simply say sign in. If you're a fresh one, you can sign up. Since I already have it, I'm going to type my password. And once it is done, this is my Amazon Associate website. This is my store. This is my affiliate link. Best selling electronic items. So best selling 0A321. This is my link. So whenever people come using banners on my website, Amazon will get to know that this link or reference has come from best selling this, and this is owned by Funny Kiran. So since we got a sale from him, we will credit the money to him. So that is how they do it. Okay, I joined Amazon affiliate very recently. It's not even a month or approximately a month that I joined. So what happens? So the moment you actually get a store created, now you want to promote it. Simply you go here, you go to your widgets and say search widgets. When you go to the search widgets, you can see something here. Add to your web page. Click on this. Okay, now you have the category here, Amazon. You can select the size, auto fit to your website, or you want to select a particular, you want to customize the size something. So you can select any of the size. And what you're going to do, I want to select electronic goods. So here you have apparels. So the code will change. This code will change. The preview will change. So I want it for electronics. I want to promote electronic products. So I click on electronic products. So this is the code. This is exactly what you have seen on my banner. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy this code by highlighting. Just by clicking here, the code is copied. I copy the code here and I go to my website. I simply take a text box. I'm just showing you here. Probably I'll just delete it for your understanding. Okay, this is not there. Okay, in footer 2 it's empty. There is nothing. So now I want to have this text box. I'll go to the text. I'll take a text box and say that I want it to be displayed in footer area and add widget. So this is added to the footer area. So what happened from here, text box, I have created one and this has come here. So now I go to the text part and simply copy the code here, Control V. I just did a Control C, copy, Control V, paste. Now how do you want to have the title like? Okay, so I recently checked my Yahoo Mail. There was some catchy thing that came. Okay, what was the catchy thing? Okay, something related to Amazon. Can you see something related to Amazon here? Let me check. Yes, not this, not this. Yes, super discount sale started. See, Amazon will keep on giving discounts time and again. So if I say best selling products, you may open my link, you may not open. But if I say something just started, you are more curious to open the link. So something just started is something which will allow people to take an action. So I need to say that mega discount sale started. So let me take the name as mega discount sale started. I go to my website, I'll say mega sale. Click here. Or mega discount sale started. You see, I simply copied, pasted it. This is how the visual will look like. And then I simply say save and I'll say done. And now I'm going to see this is here. Now I'll refresh this and I'll go to the website. I'll say visit website. When I say visit website, now when you go down, the banner is here. Mega discount sale started. If I don't want it, if I want to disable this, what I'll do, I'll simply go here. I'll go to the widgets area. And once I go to the widgets area, I'm going to simply go here in the footer 2 area. And I'm going to open this. And I will say delete. The moment I say delete, this will be deleted. The moment I say done, it will be saved. So this is how it is. So you can either keep it or you can delete it. So right now I don't want to do anything, but by deleting it, this will be simply removed from there. So this is exactly how I have copied codes and I have pasted. Now, if you look at it in my blogs page, that is the posts page. When I go to new things in digital, I see these things, right? So shop today, best selling in electronics, limited period offer, something like this. So these are all placed on the sidebar. So we call them as a sidebar. So what did I do? I went to Amazon Central Associates. I went to widgets. You can go to banner, I guess. So you can also place your Amazon banners. You can copy any of them and paste it in the code, and these banners will be displayed. But these are related to books. I don't want that to happen because I'm not promoting books. I'm promoting electronic products, because if I'm actually promoting books, I hardly get link to any page. You can also select this. You can copy the link. Please choose a product. So here I went. I have selected electronics. So name your link, best selling accessories in electronics category. If I say get HTML, I'll get a link. So this link, I have just taken it and probably copied it here, and I'll get best selling accessories in electronic category. That is how I got shop today, best sellers in electronics, best sellers in electronic category, best selling computers and accessories online. So whichever one you selected, so under electronics you want to select computers and accessories. So whatever is related to, for that again you say get HTML, this HTML link will change. So whatever HTML is there, you're just selecting it, copying it, and you're going to your website, and probably you're going to the widgets, and simply you are going, and this is the sidebar. So similarly, I went to the text. I can drag the text box here by dragging it here and taking it, or I can simply click on the text here and say add it to the sidebar. And if I go down and click add widget, this will be added to the sidebar. So these are all you can see. Shop today, best sellers in electronic, best sellers accessories, best selling computers, headphones. So all these things. So I've categorized them into different segments or niche segments. So this is how, similarly, if I want to put a banner for myself, I use the smart slider here. You can check it out. The smart slider code is there, right? Last time I have explained to people about the smart slider. So similarly, the smart slider, whatever pics are there, the project that I made, that particular code, I copied it and pasted in the footer widget. There's a footer 3. So footer 1, I guess, yeah. Here, smart slider, seminars on personality development. You go there, you can simply copy it and say done. The smart slider is saved. So this is how you can actually select a smart slider. Whatever smart slider you want, you can select that by putting it under the smart slider thing. So instead of taking this thing, you have taken the smart slider thing. This is a smart slider thing. Just by taking it, I can drag it, and there I can paste the code. So these are all add-ons, and this is the advantage of having your own website. You can customize products and display them to your visitors the way you want by having your own website. And this is the greatest strength you have, because you need not depend on third party for getting your banners placed on their website on your content, because you are using their platform. So somebody asked me, sir, we get free websites now, can't we use free websites? You use free websites, your control is limited. You have your own website, your control is complete. That's why I described website creation as you will be more comfortable staying in your own house than a rented house, because you need to take permissions from everywhere. So today's class, I would like to end it here. We have still 3 minutes left. In case you have any doubts, you can ask me. And tomorrow I'll continue this, because you should understand there is an idea hub. So basically these are all very simple, self-explanatory. So when you go here, this is a site strap. So Amazon, once you join as an Amazon affiliate, it gives you a site strap, and when you click on the site strap, the stripe will come here. So this is what you have seen: text, image, text and image. Once you activate the site strap, very simple, the moment you say yes, I want it on my, once you actually select the tool itself, automatically whenever you open any Amazon website, for example, it will give you an access to select them. So this is a site strap. So you can select the text. Text means this complete page will be displayed. You can display the image. For that, you need to select a particular product. Maybe this mobile and accessories. In this mobile and accessories, I select one particular product. Then these two will become highlighted. 1 minute. You need to select one particular product in order to ensure these two are highlighted. Okay. Okay, now I've selected one single product. The moment I selected it, okay, one product is open. When there are multiple products displayed, you will not see these two active. Otherwise, if you're selecting only one product, you can either share this image or you can share the text and image. By clicking on that, you will get the code. This is how the display will come. Text is also there, image is also there. No, I want this only image. You click on this, you will get only image. So whichever one you want to share it on Facebook, Twitter, you can do it. Or you can take this, copy this code, either large image, small image, you can customize it. So I am done with my class for today. This is basically what is Amazon affiliate. Similarly, you can take multiple banners. Not only that, you might have now understood how to place banners on your website. So you can now understand how this banner also placed in the similar way, and remaining banners also are placed in the similar way by copying from there. So I am done with my class. Any questions you can ask me. Anybody having any questions? We will disconnect in less than 1 minute. So any questions, any answer, any questions you have?
Sir, without website, can we affiliate? We can do affiliate marketing, sir.
You can do affiliate marketing, but you will not have a track of everything. You cannot track them as closely and accurately as you can track with the help of a website. The benefit of Amazon marketing is, if somebody clicks on the link, he buys any product, within 24 hours, you will get the money.